What's up, guys? Me and my buddy Ed's on the Mon today fishing here, trying to catch a few channels. Got some cut shad here. We're using real small pieces. Got a few poles out here. It's real windy, but Ed's got hits down here, a couple so far. I've got a couple off this end pole that I got casting right out through here, but I don't know. It's just cold. They don't want to commit. I can't say I much blame them. But it's 50 degrees outside. It is mid-February, so I figured, hey man, might as well try it, see if we can't catch a channel or two. So hopefully get you guys some footage. I appreciate you watching. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, so hopefully I get you some footage. Guys, we've had several bites, but I have failed to stick anything. And it is very muddy, which the rivers just now recently went down, so it's been pretty bad lately. So using 4-ounce sinkers here, Worcester Sinker Slides, 50-pound slime line, chunk of shad. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to this tree. I'm just going to bomb it out. Hope for the best. Sometimes it pays off. We use 3 rods a day's off. It's not real deep there, but it's not real shallow either. Here's a stick. So. Oh, maybe I'll break my neck first. Yeah, the current, they must still have several locks open. I'm just gonna take the bait runner off. Set her like that. I'm not catching fish, but that is.
What's that?
So I ain't catching fish, but you are anyway.
Yeah, it's the time right now.
You was right, you called it. Mine's just hanging out there doing nothing. That one right there, he wanted it.
Yeah. It feels like it might be 20 inches.
I'm looking for it. Where are you at the fish out time you reel it in?
What's that?
You cast it out so far, you get wore out time you reel him in. He's got to be tired time he gets over
He's
here.
out there pretty far.
There you go, jump over there, bud. It's called Old Cold Cat.
Game on.
Oh,
There!
got that one, I think. We're on. First fish of 2022. I don't feel like a real bad one either. Or it's just been so long since I've had a fish.
That's barge bite.
Before the barge got here. He's a thrashing. Bad part about it is you got to pull him through the mud now. Come on, bud. That probably is a current off of it. Big old Bill Channel cat going flying. Hate to throw them like that, but water's done got so low right here, you ain't got a choice. All right, guys, we're going to end the video here. We had a pretty good evening. We fished 2 hours, I think. It's getting a little chilly now. It's February 10th, I think. It's still cold out. We had a pretty good night. We caught 2 altogether. We had several little dink taps and stuff, but we only had 2 commit. We caught both of them, so it was a good night. So far, my impressions of the new special edition Catch the Fever rod is thumbs up. I like it, but appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Click the notifications. I appreciate it. I'll catch you on the water here soon.